of the event, and thank you for everybody who's come out here today to be with us, the media, the fans, the fraternity, and all the other clubs and the club presidents. Welcome to Ginger, and we look forward to seeing you during the event. How have I prepared? Well, as you can see right now, you've ambushed me walking on the streets of Ginger. One of the ways I've been preparing is just to keep my mental health well, to make sure I'm at peace with what's going on, and to keep my mind busy and not think too much about the rally. Really, I just want to go out there and have a good time, be competitive, but at the same time enjoy ourselves and come home safe for everybody. You know, that's the end goal at the end of the day. So we've set up the car. The car's good. The car's well. Unfortunately, I'll not be rallying much this season because we're expecting a baby, the first baby of my family. So thank you very much. So I'll be going to the UK back and forth. But yeah, really just to have a good time and enjoy ourselves and let everybody who's come out here. Every driver has individualistic talents. So I think, look, you got the likes of Hassan Alwi, who's a good driver, a good person. You got the likes of Duncan, our champion, and he's a member of our club, Central Motor Club. So he's a reigning champion. He's also brought a very exciting car, which I'm very happy he's brought it. I'm very, it makes me happy to see not just people succeeding in rally, but by him doing this, it shows that his business is also succeeding. And that is good. That makes me happy as an individual. I also believe that, like, you have the likes of our number one entertainer, Rakataka. he's the rally entertainer. So he's got a crazy talent. He's absolutely mad, and we enjoy that. You know, we enjoy that as well. Unfortunately, Jazz couldn't make it this rally. He was also one of he's probably the best in the country at the moment. And I think we've also got Seboguzi. Seboguzi's racing. I don't know anybody else. I think those are from the four. We also have Mukula, who's going to be opening route opener. So it's going to be great, you know. Mukula is going to be route opener. We have his son, who's the roll master. So it's going to be lots of entertainment, lots of fun, lots of enjoyment.
You want to